What's up, everybody? Cheers. Tonight, we're going to be whipping up a chicken salad. Now, this is a great way to use up some leftover rotisserie chicken. I've had leftover smoked chicken, used that, worked great. But I don't have any leftover chicken. Got some chicken breasts. We're going to cook that right now. Real simple. Got 3 chicken breasts here. I'm looking to have about 6 cups of chicken once I get it all cooked and pulled. These should be about that. So all I'm going to do is season my chicken breasts with some salt and some pepper on both sides. Ooh, sticky. Then I'm going to go into a 350-degree oven that I have preheated behind me. Once these guys reach 165 degrees, they're coming straight out of the oven and straight into the refrigerator until they cool down. Once they're cool, we can put together our salad. See you in a little bit. Our chicken is cooked. So just gonna switch that to a plate, go into the fridge to cool down. Our chicken is cooked and cooled, and now it's time to pull it. You could throw this in a robo coop. I'm just gonna do it by hand. I'll probably pull it by hand and give it a little rough chop with a knife, but just pull that chicken. Our chicken is pulled and chopped. Time to put together our salad. We will go into our bowl with our chicken. It's roughly 6 cups pulled and chopped chicken there. And I have 2 1/4 cups of mayonnaise. Half a cup of some very small diced red onion. There's 3/4 cup of very small diced celery. 1 cup dried cranberries. Half a cup of sliced toasted almonds. And a 1/4 cup of honey. Yeah, just gonna mix all that together, and then we'll adjust our seasoning, our salt and our pepper. Okay, all mixed together. Give it a taste. And we'll season that with a little more salt. It's almost there. A pinch of pepper for good measure. That should do it. Our chicken salad's done, but we need a delivery method. And I don't think there's a better one than a croissant. So we're just going to slice a croissant. Scoop in some chicken salad. And we are ready to eat. Now that is one tasty little sandwich. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. And cheers.